Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to allow direct messages from other server members in Discord, you're in the right place. Whether you want to connect with new friends, collaborate on projects, or just make sure you're not missing out on important messages, enabling DMs from server members is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight into your user settings. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Content and Social. Go ahead and tap on that. This section is where you can customize how you interact with others on Discord, including who can send you direct messages. Within the Content and Social menu, find the setting for server messages. Under this, you'll see an option called Direct Messages. This is the key to allowing or blocking DMS from people who share servers with you. To allow DMS from other server members, simply toggle on the Direct Messages switch. You might see a confirmation pop up asking if you're sure you want to enable this feature. Confirm your choice, and you're all set. Now, anyone who shares a server with you will be able to send you direct messages, unless you've blocked them individually. This is a great way to stay connected and make the most out of your Discord experience. Just remember, if you ever want to turn this feature off, you can always come back to the same setting and toggle it off again. Discord gives you full control over your privacy and who can reach out to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Discord tips. Stay connected and happy chatting.